Hey guys, I'm Alvaro Sanchez and this is my ad. Are you bored? You are hot. Welcome to the world of Coca-Cola. With Coca-Cola, you can jump, you can dance, and you can fly. This is Coca-Cola, and this is for you.
Hello, my name is Mireia. Those are iconic Spanish brand, those that represents the feeling of many people.
Hi, it is a calculator. I like it. When I have any problem, I always use to this calculator. If you like it, you have to buy this calculator. Its price only five euros. Okay, take care.
Hi everybody, it is a watch. I like it. I give advice for you to buy this watch for organic the times. It is a very cute with very good price, only 25 euros.
Hello, guys. I want to sell my new trains. They are very comfortable and very beautiful. They are bright yellow and orange. You can run very quickly and they cost 16 euros.